welcome back to my channel. Today we got some wine. Now this ain't the strawberry moscato, but if you're wondering what it is, Bella Rosa, and it's blueberry. Now this got a little bit of seltzer in it. You know, it's a little bit fizzy when you first pour it in, but trust me, it's really sweet and there's not a lot of alcohol in it. So grab your wine, girl, and come chill, because we just gonna talk about content. And just please ignore this like red spot here. I don't know what's going on. I think I'm having an allergic reaction, but sometimes like I just start itching and I just become red. But anyways, that's not why we're here. We are here to talk about Reels, baby. A lot of you guys on my last video had said that you wanted me to discuss how much I get paid on Reels and just tips for Reels and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do today. So get into close, girl, because we just gonna be talking about Reels. Okay, so there's a couple of things I wanted to go over with y'all first before we get into like how much I got paid and whatnot. Some things that I'm telling you guys today, I researched on the internet from multiple forums and stuff like that, just so I can get a better insight about Reels, because I didn't know myself. The first thing I wanted to talk about is that you have to have a business or creator account. If you don't know that by now, then what are you doing, sis? From the first video that I posted about content tips, I was saying that you have to have a business account or creator account. Take your account off of private. If you want to start making money, you have to have a business or a creator account. It is super important. Now let me just read this to you guys. Reels Play, that's what it's called, Reels Play. Bonuses are opportunities for creators to earn money directly from Facebook and Instagram for creating content that their communities love. So yes, you do have to have a Facebook account as well. It attaches over automatically to Facebook and you'll start getting paid. Another thing I wanted to read to you guys, as long as you have a business or creator account, all you have to do is share Reels to Facebook and Instagram. Instagram will pay out on Reels that get at least 1,000 views over a 30-day period. So starting from the day that you sign up for Reels Play, that is going to be the first day that you can make money. So how it works is you start getting paid based on how many views you're getting per video, and it groups it into a lump sum. It doesn't use any of your older content. It starts literally from that day. And I read this on a forum, and this forum says it's somewhat of an unspoken rule that influencers can expect to be paid $10 for every 1,000 followers they have once they hit the 100,000 threshold. I've noticed that it is very easy to get $200 off of Reels Play. I've noticed that once it hits that $200 mark, it's almost as if the rate is getting slower of how much I'm getting paid. I don't know why. Like, it just doesn't really add up to me. I'm not complaining, just to show you guys here real quick. Oh, and also another thing I wanted to let you know, you can have it set to where it deposits into your PayPal account. It goes directly to my PayPal account, and then from there I withdraw it from PayPal. I wanted to show you guys how much I got paid off of Reel. I started in November, so from November to December I did get a payout, and now we are in January, so from December to January I also got a payout. I haven't received it yet. It does take 1 to 7 business days to get into your account. I do want to let you know that on the 21st they do pay you out, but it typically takes around 1 to 7 business days, a little bit after the fact. So as you guys can see, we're on my lovely page here. You're gonna go into creator, bonuses, and then it's also gonna say all of these things, payout account. I'm gonna click payout account, and we're gonna first look at December's payout. So this is how much I got paid for December. And like I said, once it hit that $200 threshold, it really started slowing down quite a bit. It went from me getting paid, like I noticed every time I posted a reel, I would get like $15, you know, $16, $23. And then after I hit $200, I was only getting a couple of dollars per view. So I don't really know how it's monitoring the views, but yes, so this is how much I got paid for December. And now moving into January, and I started December 16th, so it ended January 16th. As you can see, it's 81,000 views that I got on the bonus plays, and 109 is what you need to hit 1,200 But yeah, so that's how much I got paid for January, almost $300, which, you know, is a pretty decent amount. Also, another thing I wanted to show you guys, be careful when posting reels. There are community guidelines that you do need to follow. If you do not follow those guidelines, they will do this to you. So as you can see, 3 of my videos have gotten a policy violation. Now you can rebuttal them. I can request for it to be reviewed. That way you get sort of a second chance to get monetized on that video. That's what I really do like, is that they do have a support team for this. Not sure how that really works, so I never tested any of them, but nice to know that there is that option. So I wanted to show you guys how to actually post a reel and get paid. This is a very important step, and the reason why this is so important is because there have been certain videos that I posted and they weren't monetized. And the reason they weren't monetized is because there's an option when you're posting that video that you have to click every single time, and if you don't click that option, it is not going to pay for that video. Now you do have 24 hours to claim the monetization on that video, so even after you post it, you can go back and go ahead and monetize the video within the 24 hours. But outside of that 24-hour window, let's say if that video skyrockets to 100 and something K views, you can't get monetized on it because you didn't select it as the option when posting the video. So for example, we are going to pretend to do a reel, and I'm just recording some random stuff. And then right here where it says bonuses, do you see where it says none at the very bottom? You're gonna click that, and then there would be a bonus program right there, and you would click it and it'll say, you know, that it's being monetized. Just to give you more insight on what to post. Now for me specifically, if you notice my reels, a lot of them are older content that I have in my phone. So yeah, you can still get paid off of the older content that you have in your phone just lying around. Just make sure you match it up with trends. I'm gonna try to grab inspiration from these followers, and I really think you guys should know about them. So the first one is Dante Catlet. So Dante Catlet, he posts a lot of tips and videos. I think he has a lot of different styles and a lot of the trendier TikToks. So if you guys are interested in knowing who I pretty much look up to when it comes to reels and quality, I go to this guy's page. I recently found him not too long ago, and I'm so happy I did, because I was like, I can't wait to share this with my followers who want like different examples, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not the best when it comes to making reels, and I'm trying to work on it. We're all learning together, we're all working together. So yeah, if you guys need help, definitely go to this guy. There is another guy. So the second guy is Jeffy, and Jeffy, if you're watching this, Jeffy Silly, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry if I mispronounced your name. But yes, I follow this guy because he has a lot of tips as well. He shows you how to angle your camera and just a lot of helpful tips that I've gotten in the short time of knowing him for a day, because I promise you guys, I probably found him like yesterday, and when I seen his videos, they gave me inspiration. He also dumbs it down for you so you don't feel like left out, because there's a lot of, what I don't like is there's a lot of influencers that don't show you how to do certain things, and I think it's kind of unfair, you know what I mean? It's kind of like you're gatekeeping for what. So I really hope you guys do go to his page if you guys want some reels inspo and tips on how to do certain things, because he just seems like an all-around good guy to learn from. So that's all I have for the tips rounds of things. As you guys know, when it comes to my reels, I pretty much just post all of my older content, but stay tuned, because I will be trying to learn all the trends and editing, and when I do find out good ways to edit my reels, I will definitely be doing a tutorial for you guys. You guys don't know this, but I did digital media in high school, and I enjoyed that class. I actually went to college for a very short period of time for digital media marketing. I really love the technical side of things. I really love learning new apps. I really love learning new editing programs. I want to be able to figure it out for you guys, because I do have that sort of tech savvy thing going on, and when I do find a way that I can edit these reels, and I will show you guys step-by-step processes of how to do it a lot more better, especially being that a lot of you guys watch me for content creation tips. Take what you have and just go, you know what I mean? Just go ahead and do it. Don't worry about what other people say, just do it, you know? Thank you guys so much for tuning in with me. I hope you guys got enough tips. I hope you guys got all of your answers resolved here. Bye. I feel as if, shit. What was I gonna say? If I could think of any other questions. I also want to get into doing like little mini vlogs, traveling. That's how I feel about YouTube videos, you know? I feel like it's like a time capsule. And I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. I just feel really emotional right now. Yeah, quarantine got me going crazy. I need to go to bed. There's not even that much alcohol in here. There's not even that much alcohol in here.